Malaking tulong pagdating doon sa water quality improvement, yung aming mangrove protection and rehabilitation.
Ang jurisdictions yung classification. So for Class SC stations 19,
actually, mas strengthen namin this year kasi most of the activities namin to capacitate EMB personnel and the stakeholders.